It's been said that if there is magic on this planet, it's contained in water, and that is no more evident than when we see how early settlers turned the desert into productive farms. In 1852, the Wilson brothers purchased land west of Ogden and named the area after themselves, Wilson. They then hand-dug a ditch from the Weber River near 24th Street to bring water to their crops. As the Wilson community grew, water was liquid gold, so Wilson Irrigation Company was formed. Members were responsible for maintaining miles of canals, ditches, dams, gates, and a 3.5-mile flume that carried water over a section of floodland. The flume was a landmark in Wilson for over a century, and it became the backdrop of life for the Gideon and Sarah Holmes family who lived right here for generations. When giving directions to their house, all they had to say was, "We're just north of the Wilson flume," and everyone knew exactly where to find them. The first flume was poorly constructed and eventually had to be replaced. The second lasted through 1919. One of the log supports slipped from its stone base and the entire thing collapsed like dominoes. Then local architect Eber F. Piers designed the first concrete flume in Utah. It served the Wilson area through the 1990s. Now it's underground.